Akashdeep Muni and Sanjeev Kaushik, both political analysts. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, to you first. All of today, the Aam Aadmi Party said कि अरविंद केजरीवाल के माता पिता इतने एजेड हैं, इतने अधेड़ उम्र के हैं, राम मंदिर के दर्शन करके आए हैं, उनको टॉर्चर किया जा रहा है। पर दिल्ली पुलिस कह रही है हमने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया, हमारा ना कभी इंटेंशन था, ना हमारा कोई नोटिस था, हमने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया। Why was this claim made?
देखिए पद्मजा जी, स्वाति is saying that there should be free and fair investigation. Aam Aadmi Party is saying also the same, that in this case there should be free and fair investigation. But this story has two versions.
My question is not that, sir. Answer the question. Why were Mr. Kejriwal's parents paraded in front of a camera, and there was a I won't call it a story, but there was a statement, and it wasn't just by Mr. Kejriwal, it was by his party, it was by his ministers, it was by his members of parliament, that aged parents are being tortured by the government. Why? And what was the point of this?
I was coming
to make such an elderly person walk and parade in front of cameras.
Now, I was coming to that point, but now you have asked this pointed question to let me answer. Now, old parents of Arvind Kejriwal are being investigated, who cannot hear properly, who cannot walk properly, who weren't there at that day in the residence. Interestingly, the police wanted to investigate them, but when these videos came out, the press conference came out, the interviews came out, then Bharatiya Janata Party's Delhi police was on back foot and they tipped back. Interestingly, you were talking, your story was talking about an interview of Swati Maliwal ji. I'm happy that Swati Maliwal ji is again able to sit in front of a person and give an interview. The story has two versions.
Okay. Now hold on a second. Before we go all over the place, hold on a second. You are saying, Sanju Verma, respond to this. Delhi police wanted to question Mr. Kejriwal's parents, but when the sheer unkindness of it was exposed, they backed off. Why are old parents being dragged into this?
You know, Padmaja, first and foremost, I think Delhi police is doing a commendable job. It's been on top of the Swati Maliwal issue. And for people to come from the other side on national TV and start rubbishing the ED, the CBI, the Delhi police, I mean, that smacks of desperation. Delhi police ko yadi Arvind Kejriwal ke jo senior parents hain, they are obviously, suffering from ailments. I mean, nobody cutting across political ideologies. We don't wish, anything unwell for his parents. You have to be inhuman to do that. But please do not always peddle the victim card. जब अरविंद केजरीवाल तिहाड़ जेल में थे, the key discussion was not about the fact that he is the kingpin of the Delhi liquor scam. He is the chief formulator of the Delhi liquor scam. But the discussion revolved around the fact, अरे अरविंद केजरीवाल का तो weight was 65 kgs, now it has come down to 60 kgs. अरे आम खा रहे हैं, पूरी खा रहे हैं, तो बीजेपी को क्या दिक्कत है? अरे his BP has gone up, BP has fallen dramatically low. These are diversionary tactics to try and digress from the key issue. The key issue is this. Point number one, Kejriwal is out on interim bail, not because of merits of the case, but because of exceptional circumstances pertaining to a general election underway. He's going back to Tihar on June 2nd. Point number two, let us not victim shame. Swati Maliwal ने कहा है, मुझे 7-8 बार थप्पड़ मारा गया. And if Kejriwal's parents being old is not reason enough for them to be interrogated, a woman who's on her periods is being thrashed on her chest, on her pelvis area, that is equally condemnable. But I have not seen Atishi, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh condemning what Bibhav Kumar did. After that cursory press conference of 90 seconds on 14th of May last Tuesday by Sanjay Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party unleashed an entire propaganda saying, अरे ये स्वाति मालीवाल तो बीजेपी की स्टूल है.